Now we now we are going to start our next unit, hardware and software. When you work on a computer, typically what does a computer do? The computer processes, stores and display the data or information you type. You can also browse internet, use calculators, create documents, play games or listen to music. Now on computer, the computer process stores the display data and information you type. Now on computer you type your name. That name display on computer. You can also browse internet. That means you open internet. You search some information. That information is also display on computer. You use calculators to do addition, subtraction, multiplication. That's why you use calculator. You create a document, you play games or you listen to music on computer. A computer is able to carry out all these different functions due to the combined efforts of its various components. A computer is able to carry out these all different functions. So, due to the combined efforts of various components inside a computer, there are devices that support these applications. You can differentiate these computers into major categories: software and hardware. So you there are many tasks, there are many things you do on computer. This is possible due to the various components inside the computer. There are various devices that support this application. There are various devices that supports to calculator, to open internet, to create document. Only we have to click, automatically it will happen. So inside the computer there are devices that support these applications. You can differentiate these components into major categories: software and hardware. Now in this chapter we will learn about the concepts hardware and software. In this chapter we are going to learn about the software and hardware. Now first is software. What is meant by software? Software is a computer program that helps you to perform a specific function. A software is a program that helps us to perform a specific function. All type of application that we have learned so far are software. A software is created with the help of high level programming language. Different software are designed to perform different functions. So a software is a computer program which helps to perform a specific functions. These software applications are created by with the help of high level programming language. Now C, C++, Java, these all are the programming language. When you are in future, if you will go in engineering side, special in field in computer IT, you will get more about this programming language. So you will learn how to create the software in engineering. So software is a program which helps to perform a specific function. Now see, your mobile game, your WhatsApp application, this is also one type of software. This Temple Run, it is also software. This software is created with the help of programming language. Different software are designed to perform a different functions. The various examples of software you will find in computer. The various examples of software you will find in a computer are Microsoft Office, Now see, in our computer, Microsoft Office, Adobe Reader, Adobe Acrobat, Paint, Internet Explorer. These all are the software. Microsoft Office, Adobe Acrobat, MS Paint, and Internet Explorer. These all are the software that you find in your computer. Even PC games are a form of software played on a computer. That PC games also is a type of software. Now we are going to learn a classification of software. Software can be system software which provides basic functionality of a computer. Now see, software. What is mean by software? Software is a computer program that help us to perform a specific function. Software is a computer program. Your mobile games, your PC games, then your application. These is MS PowerPoint, Paint, Notepad, calculator. These all are the software. Now software have two types: system software and application software. These there is a two type of software: system software and application software. In system software there are two types: operating system and antivirus software. In system software, operating system and antivirus. And in application software, MS Office application, PC games, calculator, and internet browser means application. In their MS Office, PC games, calculator, these all are the applications. So there is a two type of software: system software and application software. Now what is mean by system software? Software can be system software which provide the basic functionality to a computer. That means a system software can which provide a basic functionality to a computer. The next most commonly used software is application software that helps you to perform a various everyday task. Now in system software like antivirus, this is the example of system software. Application software, MS Office, PC games, these all are the examples of application software. Now software uses. Applications do not wear out with time, but they are prone to failure as they depend on the hardware of their proper functioning. Software is modified or updated many times during the lifetime of a computer. They can be easily installed or removed from your computer. They do not usually get damaged due to a physical force, but have a tendency to develop bugs, faults, to get affected by virus. A software that install in a computer, we cannot touch to software, only we can see. So software cannot we can not physically harm to the software, but it will be get damaged due by the virus. It will be get damaged, it will be get bugs, it will be get faults, it will be get affected by virus. So software you can update that software when their update will become like a WhatsApp update also coming. So software can be updated means some advanced feature will be come. So software can be easily installed or easily removed from the computer. You can easily install and you can easily remove the software from your phone. Now operating system. Operating system is a system software that manage computers memory, process and all of its software and hardware. So operating system is a system software that manage computers memory process and all software and hardware are managed by operating system. The main function operating system starts when the computer is switched on. When computer will be switched on, the functioning of operating system will start. It allows the application software to talk to the hardware and perform the required task. Operating system allows application software to talk to hardware and perform various tasks. For example, calculator. If you want to open calculator, so operating system allows calculator to talk to hardware. In hardware, mouse are used. So uh, in application software, so mouse can talk to the calculator like this. So application software allows, so operating system allows the application software to talk to hardware and perform required tasks. The most commonly used operating system are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Apple and Linux. These all are the operating system. Microsoft, Mac OS and Linux, these all are the applications operating system. Now next is the antivirus software. Antivirus software protect your computer from virus. So the antivirus software that protects our computer from virus damage the computer, sometimes leaking important data, loss of data or rendering the computer entirely useless. Some common antivirus software are AVG antivirus, McAfee and Neutron. So these all are the AVG antivirus, AVG, McAfee and Neutron. These are the antivirus. Antivirus protect our computer from viruses. Virus can damage our computer. It lose our data. It leaks our important data. Next is a MS Office application. MS Office is a bundle of a desktop application consisting of MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. So MS Office is the application software. The MS Office is a bundle of a desktop application. It contains MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. MS Word is a word processor that allows you to write letters, create reports and other kind of documents. So MS Words allows you to write letters, create reports, and in MS Word you can write letters, you can create reports and any other document. MS Excel lets you analyze financial information, calculating number and create tables and graphs. In MS Excel, this is MS Word, this is Excel and this is PowerPoint. In MS Word you can type letter, you can create document, and in Excel you can analyze the financial report, you can calculating number, you can do addition, subtraction, you can create tables also in Excel. And this is a PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is a presentation software allowing you to make usually appealing a presentation. It is used to create a presentation. These all are the MS Office application. Then next is a web browser. A web browser is a software that you can use to surf the internet. So if you want to surf on internet, if you want to search anything on the internet, first you need to open web browser. The most common browse used for surfing the internet are Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox and Google's Chrome. So these three are the web browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer. These are the web browser. So if you want to search anything on the internet, first you need to open this web browser, Google Chrome, Mozilla and Internet Explorer. We have already used software like a calculator and MS Paint. So we already use these two software, MS Paint, then calculator, Notepad also, WordPad also we used in third standard. So software is a program. Software is a computer program that helps you to perform a specific function. We cannot touch to the software. All the application that we learned so far are software. Software is created with the help of high-level programming language. So the MS Office, Adobe Acrobat, MS Paint, Internet Explorer, these are the software. PC games also are a type of software. There are two type of software, system software and application software. In system software, example is operating system is a system software and antivirus is an example of system software. Software which provides the basic functionality of a computer, and in application software means what, that helps you perform a various everyday task. So MS Office application, PC games, calculator, then internet browser, these all are the type of application software. Now next is a software and uses. So you can install software in your computer, you have to update that software, you have to protect that software from virus. If virus will become that your software will be get damaged, so you have to update, you have to take precautions. Then you have to protect that software from viruses. Easily you can install and you can remove the software from your computer. Then by physically we cannot damage to the software, but they can get affected by virus. Then operating system is the type of which software, system software. Then it manage the computer memory and process and all the software and hardware. All software, all parts of computer are handled by operating system. The main function of operating system starts when computer will be switched on. Then next is the antivirus software. Antivirus software protect our computer from virus. Virus damage the computer. Sometime it lose, sometime is leak important data. So we have to protect our computer from viruses. So to protect our computer from viruses, we have to install antivirus software. So these are the antivirus software like McAfee, Norton and AVG. These are the antivirus software. These antivirus software protect our computer from viruses. Then MS Office application. These three are MS Office application: Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Word, which is used to create a document, try to write a letter. Excel, which is used to create a tables, to do calculation and graph. And PowerPoint, which is used to create a presentation. And web browser. Browser, if you want to search anything on the internet, you have to open the web browser. A browser is a software that you can use to surf the internet. So Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome and Internet Explorer, these are the web browser.